Hey guys, welcome back. This is BSDMax2, and today we will be playing Will You Press the Button. This is an interesting game we found online, suggested by nobody, but no, stop seeing this. Yes, inappropriate. Okay, so I will switch to scene 4, because that's the scene that we will be. So, I will become the world's greatest detective and gain master fighting skills, but my parents are killed in front of me. Okay, no, I won't. Okay. That just was bad, didn't I? You live forever and get whatever you want, but all your friends become retarded. I'm gonna have to not go with that one. Because, yeah. Wonder if it's recording me. No, it's not. Whatever. You guys don't need to see me. You never have to sleep again. You only live until 50. Okay, I'm just not gonna go with that one. I haven't been clicking any of them. You became a famous musician. No one appreciates your music. Who would press the button? That's just dumb. LOL. 28% people did. That's funny. I'm gonna have to make that one bad. It was kind of a bad one. You have infinite money. I'll go with that one, whatever. That's funny. I kinda got a cold. Michael Bay dies and stops making movies. You have to deliver his whatever. I don't even know that dude. You'll be able to control minds. So does the person you hate most. I'll just control him to be crazy. No, I'm kidding. Yeah, I'll go with it. You have the power to teleport anywhere in the world. Every time you do it, 10 million random people are suddenly killed. Okay, no, I can't do that. It's murdering. I cannot do that. Every time you sleep, you have a lucid dream. You lose your most prized possession. No. Yeah, whatever. Video. You can pick a card to become perfectly balanced. You can never play that card. No, that one was kind of dumb. I didn't even understand it. Oh, whatever. What is that word? I don't even know. I should like Google search it and just like memorize it. I don't even know what that one was. Not that much of a genius here. You don't have to sleep. I should turn the game volume off in case you hear something. You will be hyperactive and you won't be able to stand still. I can't go with that. So, yeah. You can heal every type of disease from one person. When you do it, someone else in the world, choose randomly, get the disease. Can you heal every type of disease? Oh, what? No. Whatever. I'm just not gonna go with that one. I don't know what. Ow! Fuck. You can meet any celebrity you want at any time. That celebrity dies 3 weeks later. Yeah. Let's kill celebrities now. Yeah. Discover all that lies within Area 51. You can never leave the fenced area, but are supplies with the most normal things you desire. Return as a ghost to protect and watch over your loved ones. When they die, you remain on Earth forever, never to see them in the afterlife. The afterlife is heaven, and yes, I'm going there. Hopefully. You have X-ray vision. You become high and start hallucinating every time you see it. No. You know all the secrets of the universe. They suck. Also, no one believes you. What? Okay, whatever. I pressed the button. You get a free trip to Mars. You can't come back ever. Nope. Not happening. You have unlimited money. You can never sleep again. Yeah, I'll go with that. You get to live in your favorite video game. You're trapped here forever. No. Even though I'd like it, but no. That's that made me think twice. You gain the power to shape-shift into a large upright wolf being with enormous power at will and have complete and total control with will is shape-shifted. Okay, I'm not gonna read all that, so I'm just not gonna press the button. You guys can pause right here if you want to read it. I don't have that time. You can make anyone you want like you by simply talking to them. You can only speak in memes. Whatever that means. You can make all the world feel happy. No. You can teleport. If anyone sees you teleport, you will die. Well, I'm going to heaven anyway, so. Guess that answers that question. There's a 50-50 chance you will become immortal. There's a 50-50 chance you die immediately. I don't even know what that means. Whatever. I don't give a shit. 3. If you don't like swear words, just don't watch this. Get $100 in your bank account every day that you can only spend on yourself. You must accept a phone call from a starving child before every meal. Yeah, I'll go with that one, whatever. You can warp at will in any universe you want, even fictional ones or alternate timelines of ours. You will never find love. No. You gain magical powers. Magical isn't real, so totally. You can become infinitely rich and internationally famous. You're financially set for life. You become the subject of a hyped-up internet meme. You're incredibly popular for a while, but you eventually become repetitive and annoying. You go from being admired to ridiculed before fading into oblivion. Isn't that what happens to everybody? Yeah. You wake up the next morning as your preferred gender. Everyone recognizes you as such. You pass. A friend you have dies. And if you have no friends, a relative you like dies. Yeah, okay, I won't press that. That was, yeah, sure. You never go on 4chan again ever. You can only use it in the libraries. Okay, I know that. That was easy. You've earned an additional 75,000 without extra work. Legally, but still taxed. Yes. Yeah. Magic real. You're Muggle born. No. You may gaze into someone else's future. There's a 50-50 chance you'll look into your own future without realizing it. Yeah, there you go, yeah. Yup. You can become any real person you want at any time. They disappear and you replace them. Add their memories, but not personality, to yours. Repeatable as many times as you want. Your previous self is killed, meaning you may never go back, and you can't convince anyone of your true nature. Not with that one. You can join any band you want, but you have to kick out the member you'll replace. I don't like band, so I'm gonna be nice. You have unlimited access to the internet from anywhere around the world. You can only go on websites that strangers in the street tell you to go. Oh no, you're becoming dumb. You will get $1 million. Someone on your earth will die. I'm selfish. I'm sorry. I died. You will get that today. It will only begin to happen once. All your friends and family are dead. No, money don't make you happy. Realize that, dudes. You will work for Microsoft and get paid millions, but you cannot use any Microsoft products for the rest of your life. PCs, Xbox, Windows, phones, etc. No. Bad. You get 10 free private Beatles concerts. You can't listen to any of their songs after the concerts. Okay, I'll be right back. Okay, I'm back, guys. So, yeah, the end of the video is pretty soon. Get 10 free private Beatles concerts. No, I don't really like the Beatles anyway, but that was kind of bad. The Beatles are dead. Oh my word. That's like old. Pokemon becomes real and you get your own Pokemon. What? No. Bad. I didn't press the button. After you and 3 friends get kidnapped and held hostage, one of the nappers decides to let you go. You have to choose which one of your friends gets murdered by one of the kidnappers. If you don't choose, both friends will die. If you try to escape, both friends. That's rude. Accomplish all you want in life. You never fall in love. No. I mean, I could go with it. They all wrote it bad. You live forever. Everyone hates you. Okay. No. No. You can do the impossible. See the invisible, touch the untouchable, and break the unbreakable. You must fight the power. Okay, I'll just do it. Whatever. Fight whatever. Something. Get everything you want in the world. You can't get GTA 5 or bacon. This is the funniest one ever. I'll have to go with that one. That was good. Yeah, that was funny. You never get caught for anything bad you do. You can no longer read or write. I don't like it. I need to be able to read to farm, you know. Bad. You become Asian. Your target is your parents. No. Bad. You have any power you want. Water kills you. What? No. Bad. You get a piece of chocolate cake. You can't drink milk while eating, and it is very dry. No. Bad. You become the most successful person in all aspects, beloved and recognized by all. You find out the exact date that you'll die. No. All your friends and family don't care what you do. The next day they will get so mad it looks like they got angry. No. You'll be the most handsome, beautiful person on earth. You'll never be smarter than the average third grader. World peace, hunger does not exist. Everyone in the world is happy. You have to move to another planet where there is no peace, everyone is hungry, and happiness doesn't exist. No. Bad. Your waifu becomes real. Whenever you see her transform into a 3-story dragon locked near current emotion at the time you elevated to dangerous, whatever that means. You get to see people's reactions when you die. Up to a week after your death, they won't care when you actually. Sure, yeah, perfect. I don't care what they think about when I die. You get to make one person you've known and have had a conversation with fall in love with you. You can kill anyone in the world you want by thinking of them. After you die, you'll share an afterlife with everyone you've killed. You get every video game in the world. What? Whatever. No. What's the point in that? You cure cancer, but no one knows who did it. Every cat in the world loses the ability to reproduce, and every cat lover in the world knows about what you did. Only 2 cats. And where you live. Nope. You get your own mansion. You can never leave it. Okay. I have to go outside to farm, you know. Everything you say will become true. You will get the opposite of what you. Whatever. It's like, what the fuck? It's not true if it comes the opposite. Meet the girl of your wildest dreams on Morphs and. No. You become visible. Oh, fuck. Half-Life 3 is released and sequels keep being made. Yeah, 20 years. Yes, only want to live 20 years. You have an Iron Man suit. It has the battery life of an iPhone and is painted pink forever. Now, you can be the best looking person in the world. Okay. Whatever. Yeah, I think I'm gonna quit pretty soon. So guys, hopefully you have photographic. No. But anyway, you guys, this was pretty fun. And I hope to see y'all next time. This is Bills2Max2. Please like and subscribe for more. Hope y'all enjoyed. Please like and subscribe. And goodbye, guys. This is like, yeah, play a song for you before I leave. Okay. YouTube. You guys probably want to see what I'm doing, don't you? Yeah. What? The world's most powerful handheld laser. Multiplayer Kansas thing. Yeah, this is the people I'm subscribed to. This is pretty interesting. Yeah. Totally. Amazing Grace. So, remember to please like and subscribe. Yeah. Just gonna go like this. Perfect. So guys, there you go. There you go. And
Wait, stay awesome, bros.
Remember, you can buy your Loot Crate on the 19th of each month from lootcrate.com/Pewds and use the code PEWDS to get 10% off.
yeah, totally. Goodbye, guys. Thanks for watching.